Milgram, Yale University psychologist famous for his nearly non-existent facial hair and his unethical obedience study. But to find out why this experiment was so controversial, let's take it back to July 1961. There will be 3 individuals in the experiment today, but for privacy reasons, let's call them Subject A, Subject B, and Subject C. The subjects will be called the teachers in the experiment. Their job is to shock the learner on a scale from a low frequency to a high frequency after every incorrect answer the learner gives. But what the teachers don't know is the shocks are fake and the learner is just an actor faking to be in pain. This will be overseen by the experimenter. The experimenter briefly tells the teacher what it is they're going to have to do and takes them to meet the learner, or the actor, strapped up to the fake shock machine. After the first wrong answer is given, the experimenter tells the teacher to give the first level of shock. The actor really isn't in pain, but she makes the teacher believe that she is, causing the teacher to resist. If the teacher does not want to go forward, the experimenter convinces her to do so. Subject A continues to resist, only to once again obey the experimenter, although she knows it is wrong. We can't actually disclose what the actor said during this time. Eventually, however, Subject A refuses to go any farther and resists by losing consciousness? Is that seriously what she does? The experimenter goes through the same process with Subject B, introducing her to the learner and telling her to distribute the first shock. Like Subject A, when the learner exhibits true signs of pain, Subject B feels discomfort and resists, but still obeys the authority figure. Despite showing moral remorse, the teacher obeys the experimenter and goes towards the highest level, the severe and most fatal shock. The experimenter then explains to Subject B that although she resisted, she went to the highest level and, well, kinda killed a person. Subject B soon finds out that the learner was not dead. She was just an actor trying to get herself through med school. You guys get the picture. They meet and whatever. She gives the first shock. And she resists. Wait, why isn't she resisting? That's not supposed to happen. Wait, don't let her shock anything. She's not supposed to enjoy this. That is just frightening. She just skipped like 5 levels. That's brilliant. Due to the extreme emotional distress, inflicted insight, and lack of a debriefing procedure of the participants, the Milgram obedience study was found unethical. Sorry, Stanley, but the facial hair is coming in. I will remember you.
Yo, listen up, here's the story about a little guy that lives in a blue world, and all day and all